Okay, I just started a small position in Facebook. It's at VWAP. It was starting to go up a little bit, so I'm gonna take a small risk on this and see what happens. I am looking at this for opening later down the line, so we'll see how it goes. I think I'll do more of like a trend join around this level, 203-ish, and watch for it to run. Because right now, if you look at the daily chart, it's a huge gap up. And if it breaks, or yeah, breaks this, you can see it possibly 209. So now it's starting to work. So let's see what it does. Alright, adding more here because this was a micro pullback and I did not notice it. Well, I wasn't looking. But yeah, this a little bit of a chase because I added here, here, and then here. But this is a micro pullback. You can tell that it is wanting to run, so it'll break 204s. It can test higher. So 204s, it can potentially test 208. Oh, did not expect that. Looks like it bounced though. I'm gonna take this. If it goes under, the body goes under, I will exit. As you can see, it's trying to come back up. I think that was like just some well trying to get out or something. 89. There it goes. Let's see if it'll break 207. Coming down. Okay, it just pop back up. Let's see. If it goes under 205, I'm watching L2. 205.25, I will exit. Okay, it's trying to climb up to 207. It rips up to 207, so going through 207. Let's see if it'll test 208. 208 is a support level right here that could be resistance. I'm gonna take some off here. 45, 50, 40 is struggling a little bit, so I'm about only 100 left. Let's see. 04, 01, struggling. Let's get out. Alright, let's take one up here. Another one, I should have kept that 50 earlier. Let's see if we'll break 208. If it breaks 208, I can take profit. Actually, I'm gonna just take it. Not taking any chances. Because looks like things are starting to stall a little bit. I'm gonna give some time. Yep, there's the stall. No, I'm not taking it because it's bouncing halfway. And even though this looks good, I don't see any downward momentum yet. Okay, it's going to test VWAP. Will it bounce or are you going to sell? 204, I will sell. It's bouncing 204. So 204 is from pre-market. Today's a bullish day, so I don't want to just grab it out of the blue. Okay, let's grab some here. If it pops up the VWAP, I'll take a short. Let's just scalp this. Let's see if we'll break 202. If it breaks oh wow, look at that. That's coming down, but hmm, it could be a false. Let's see, it's trying to come up. Breaks VWAP, I'll get out. Okay, you're gonna take. I was supposed to do a 50. I'll just do focus on this that I forgot to change that to 50. Okay, 202. Okay, whoa. Alright, let's see. I'm a little fearful of like it bouncing, but I really like this. Let's see if 200. My average is 202.29 as a short, the closest. So that's gonna be a really quick bounce if it does. Let's see. 08, 09, 01. Let's get out. Still on the 5 minutes, but I'm not sure. I'll take a small one right here. Netflix. I'm gonna wait for this to come back up here. Ooh, Microsoft. Let's grab some. Going back to dual. Nvidia's pretty up high. Let's see. Microsoft is failing the support. So this one, it's rejecting. I'll take one more. Yep, so this one will be a little chase. Because I'm seeing more downside, that's why I'm taking it. And right here, another one. Market's falling apart. Market's about to break pre-market low. Or testing pre-market low. So, let's see. Alright, I got squeezed out on this one. Alright, cut my loss here. Alright, let's see. Ooh, that was a big pop. So, this is what happened. So this is what happened. So this was turning red. It looked like this, but a lot bigger. And then it just suddenly bounced. So that's why everything popped and it got stopped out. So now I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Netflix starting to come down. It's testing support. Yeah, that it's coming down. Okay, that's a reject, so I like that. Give it some time. Looking at for a reject under VWAP. I'll give it some time for it to come down. Netflix is on bad news, so that's why I took the short, and looks like it's coming down now. Oops. Nvidia misplay. That's fine. More downside. Nasdaq is just like going crazy down. So I don't care about Facebook right now. I'm gonna let it go. Nasdaq, look at this. It's coming down. So if it fills this and cracks below 1300, it's everything's gonna come down with it. Look at my Microsoft. Facebook. Okay, Microsoft rejected. 0.4. I gotta be careful here. Yep, goes down. Let's get out. I will take actually quite a bit because Nasdaq and futures are really coming down hard. So this is a bit of a chase because of it coming down. I will add one more at this pop. Yep, more downside. Scalp that to the downside. Facebook popping for some reason, but I think it's gonna fail because Nasdaq and QQQs are coming down. So I totally missed the top right here. So this was more of a chase style. Um, I might be giving some money back on this one, but I think it will go down further because there is momentum to the downside. Ooh, that's a huge pop on VIX. Okay, Nvidia, let's get out. Or is it gonna reject? Let's get out. Microsoft. Let's get out. Okay, let's call it done. Okay, so it's power hour. Unfortunately, I don't see any trades right now, so I was messing with my layout. And apologies on the background, there's actually constructions outside my door. Um, so pretty much instead of my old layout, I have the main 1 minute screen, 5 minute screen right here instead of down here, and then the same Hikinashi with the stochastics and RSI. So down here I have NASDAQ. This way I can show you what I'm seeing on NASDAQ and how I'm doing the confirmations. Uh, those parts the same, the news, the L2, the time and sales, and here's going to be the QQQ, same thing as the NASDAQ. Unfortunately, I couldn't put them all together because just uh, how TOS does their charts and widgets and all that kind of stuff. It sucks a little bit, but I mean, I work with what I have, so this is not a big deal. Plus, like instead of like turning my head to a different screen, I have NQ right here instead, and QQQ in here instead of a different screen. Because like on the sides, it's there's literally about on my right there's about 12 charts, and then on my right there is six plus some information such as my account number and account data and network, all that kind of stuff that I'm not showing. And does have my watch list on the side too. So that's kind of why I have it on. Had the two extra wide screens. It's actually big. The resolution's much bigger than this. What you see here. So if I ever upgrade this one, you'll expect this to be a lot longer and wider. So yeah, but right now, I'm trying to keep like this. See if I can get used to this layout, so that way we can see QQQs and Nasdaq all together without, well, also without me being like an owl turning my head like 180 degrees. Um, and I like this because it's easier for me to read the times and cells, so that makes it easier because it used to be right here all wide and jumbly. In my opinion, it was jumbly, but right now it's like all nice, crisp layout, easy on the eyes. Same with L2, it's like easier on the eyes since it's more squished together, and the news just in case is right here. Daily still the same, and the orders are still the same. So yeah, so looking at Facebook, Facebook rejected here. This could be a Head and Shoulders, but I don't think I'm gonna take it because like right now the volume is just too low. I don't even see any momentum plays right now. And then Apple, that will be for. I'm just gonna watch it for plays later. Like I said, it's gonna be a little um, getting used to with this new layout. Looks like this one is trying to do like a reversal right here. This is a reversal pattern, but I don't know if I can trust it because especially the market doing like the whiplashes lately. When I mean whiplashes is like they come like say if this was an all actually this one's a perfect example. So this one showed you it was coming down on momentum and then all of a sudden it shoots right back up because all these buyers just jumped in on it and just defended this level, causing this type of candle to look like this. And I just don't want to get caught in these kind of things, especially when they're so close and tight. And that's especially after finishing a double bottom right here. Now it's definitely does look like it's on the downside. I mean, it does show, but no volume. I don't see a whole lot of volume, so it's gotta wait and see what happens from there. But yeah, I just want to talk about my layout because that'll be something different. I don't know if it will make it to today's video for my day trading, or it's gonna make it into my earnings play. So yeah, that's it.